Hello friends, in this video we see how the enzyme perform reaction with two substrate, that is bi-substrate reactions. In most enzymatic reactions, two different substrate molecules bind to the enzyme and participate in the reaction. Enzymatic reactions with two substrates usually involve transfer of an atom or a functional group from one substrate to the other. These reactions proceed by one of several different pathways. In this, first is ternary complex formation. In some cases, both substrate are bound to the enzyme at some point in the course of reaction, forming a non-covalent ternary complex. The substrate bind in a random sequence or in a specific order. The enzyme and both substrate come together to form a ternary complex. In ordered binding, substrate 1 bind before substrate 2. In random binding, the substrate can bind in either order. Second is binary complex formation. In this case, enzyme substrate complex forms. A product leaves the complex and the altered enzyme form a second complex with another substrate molecule, and the second product leaves, regenerating the enzyme. Substrate 1 may transfer a functional group to the enzyme, which is subsequently transferred to substrate 2. This is also called ping pong or double displacement mechanism. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.